how to restore a blockchain wallet with recovery phrase on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen and then open up your blockchain app. From here, you can tap on the more button, then tap on settings. Here, go down and tap on Samsung Blockchain Key Store, then tap on link. And from here, you can import your blockchain recovery, your blockchain wallet with recovery phrase. Now, another way to get into here is to swipe down at the top to open up quick settings, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on security and privacy, and then tap on more security settings. Then tap on Samsung Blockchain Key Store, and this will take you to the same page here. So tap on continued, then tap on continued, then tap on link to restore your blockchain wallet. Now you need to enter the passcode to the app. So create a PIN to the app. Once you have created the PIN, you can unlock it with a PIN of a fingerprint. Next, you need to enter in the 12 recovery phrase. So enter in the phrase, and then tap on enter like that. And then tap on enter, and so on. So enter the 12 recovery phrase and tap on the next button. After you hit the next button, then on this page, tap on done. And that's it. So we have now restored the blockchain wallet on your Samsung Galaxy S25. If you open up the blockchain app in here, you can see it will show linking. So just let this finish updating. Okay, once it has finished updating, it should show you the total balance from the previous wallet that we have just restored. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.